Hi friends, this is Sarvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good and safe. And today let us discuss about OSPF Passive Interface. So what is the purpose of Passive Interface? It will stop sending hello packet and the neighbor relation is not established. So I'm going to show how to configure the Passive Interface. So before that, let us quickly configure the OSPF routing protocol. Go to the configuration mode and router OSPF 100. And what is the network is 192.168.1.0 followed by the wildcard mask, then followed by the backbone area. This is the only area I configured. And go to R2, go to the configuration mode and router OSPF 100 and the network is 192.168.1.0 followed by 0.0.0.255 area 0, right? So we have configured the neighbor relationship between R1 and R2, and now let us check the neighbor relationships has been established. Show IP OSPF neighbor, show IP OSPF neighbor. So still it is in two-way state. These are the neighbor state you have to remember always. First it will be down, it will go to init, then it will go to the two-way state, right? So once two-way state neighbor established will be established, and the XStart state is a process selecting DR and the BDR neighbor relationship. So once the DR and BDR is selected, it will go to the exchange state where it will exchange the databases, right? What are the database it have, it will exchange. Then it will go to loading and the full state. So that is the neighbor state of OSPF. So it went to loading and now it has established a full neighbor relationship. Show IP OSPF neighbor. So this is a BDR, neighbor is a BDR. Let us see here R2, show IP OSPF neighbor. So this is already established. So now let us do one thing. So now I'm going to configure this as a passive interface. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to configure this as a passive interface and I'm going to check whether it is able to establish a neighbor relationship. So after configuring the passive interface on this fast Ethernet 0x0, R1 will not establish a neighbor relationship with R2, right? So let us check that. Go to the configuration mode, router, OSPF 100 and the passive interface fast Ethernet 0x0, right? So once that is done, automatically we will see it will went to down state, right? So it went to full to down. That means it is not establishing the neighbor relationship with the R2 because of the passive interface, because the passive interface stops sending hello packet and it will break the neighbor relationship between R1 and R2. So in case we want to stop any hello packet on any other interface, so this is more secure. If you want to stop any hello packet on any other interface, you can go ahead and configure the passive interface. This is really more secure to stop sending the hello packet, right? And it will not establish any neighbor relationship. So let us check the neighbor relationship. Show IP OSPF neighbor. So now it is not established because of the passive interface I configured on the fast Ethernet 0x0. So it is you stop sending the hello packet and it will break the neighbor relationship between R1 and R2. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.